Cylinders solve problems. Calculate the volume of a cylinder if R radius equals to 3 centimeters. So this one is your radius. So one is 3 centimeter. And height is equals to 6 centimeter. So solution. Volume equals to BH equals to pi r square h equals to 3.1416 times 3 centimeter square times 6 centimeter. This one equals to 169.56 centimeter cube. The diameter of the base of a cylinder is 14 inches. Height 10 inches. Find the total surface area of the solid cylinder. So this one is, we take the radius 7 inches. This one is 10 inches. Total surface area. So solution. Total surface area equals to pi r square times 2 plus 2 pi rh equals to 2 pi times 7 square plus 2 pi times 7 times 10, so equivalent to 747.7 inches square. Find the total area of a right cylindrical bunker fuel storage tank, whose base is 16 meters in diameter and whose altitude is 26. So your solution. Height is 26 meter and the diameter D equals to 16 meter. So solution area for top and bottom. So for the top area E1 equals to 2 pi d square over 4 equals to 2 over 4 times pi times 16 square equals to 40,212 meter square. Area of the side E2 equals to area of the side equals to pi dh equals to 3.14 times 16 times 26 equals to 1306.24 meters squared. So your total area equals to 402.12. This one is 0.12 plus 136.24 equivalent to 1708.36 meter square. Find the volume of a cylinder whose base is an ellipse with axis 7 cm and 5 cm. The altitude of the cylinder is 11 cm. So this one is 11 cm. And this one semi-minor axis, semi-major axis. This one is 3.5 centimeter, whereas this part here is 2.5 centimeter. To volume V was to BH equals to pi AB times H equals to pi 3.5 times 2.5 times 11 or equals to 302 cubic centimeter. A cylinder with a radius of 2 centimeters and a height 20 meters needs to be replaced with a cylinder of equal volume. However, the new cylinder a radius of 1 centimeter. How high must the new cylinder be? So this one, the radius of this one is 2 centimeter. Each is 20 centimeter. So your solution V equals to BH equals to pi 2 square times 20 equals to 251 cubic centimeter. New cylinder replaced with a cylinder of equal volume. So this one would be placed with another cylinder but equal volume. This one's your H, and you have 1 centimeter radius, so this one is 1 centimeter radius. But your volume volume equals to BH equals to pi r square times h. Volume is 251 equals to 3.14 1 square times h. So your h equals to 251 over 3.14 equals to 73.57 centimeter. A cylindrical container with a radius of 20 meters and a height of 10 meters is filled with water. Determine the mass of water it can hold. Density of water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meters. So your volume equals to base times height. So your R here, R is equals to 20 meters. Height is 10 meters. So volume pi times 20 square times 10 equals to 12,566.4 cubic meter. So you have that one water mass equals to 12,566.4 cubic meters times 1,000 kilogram per cubic meters. Cancels out, equal to 12,566 400 so 1 is kilogram.